Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with your closing market minute. Soybeans closed higher on Tuesday, supported by commercial buying while keeping an eye on conditions in South America. Things in Brazil do look pretty good at this point, but there are some uncertainties about longer-term forecasts for Argentina. Could be pretty dry given the current weak La Nina pattern we've got going on right now. It is early June roughly for crops in the southern hemisphere, so there is a ways to go, but any significant loss in soybean production in South America would lead to at least some spike in an increase for U.S. soybeans. USDA's next set of supply, demand, and production numbers are out on the 12th. Corn is up fractionally, pretty much just following soybeans, up and down session with supply pressure a factor. USDA's final 2017 production totals for corn and for soybeans are out in January. And wheat closed lower, not a lot of new buying interest right now, and the trade sees continued pressure from the bearish supply fundamentals. Dry conditions in the southern plains probably won't be viewed as an issue until the crop comes out of dormancy. Live cattle were mostly lower and feeders were down on spread trade and technical liquidation. Direct cash cattle markets remained pretty quiet. Packer inquiry was scattered with just a few asking prices reported. Trade is going to wait until at least after Wednesday's Fed cattle exchange activity. And hogs closed lower on a combination of profit taking, their premium to the cash index, and pork demand uncertainties. I'm John Perkins with your closing market minute.